Good morning, student. Student, today we start problem set 8. What is problem set 8? Solve the word problems. And it is on a page number 14. Yes. So we now see first problem. So C is there. First problem. What is the problem? Riya has rupees 55 to buy toffees. The cost of one toffee is rupees 5. How many toffees Riya can buy? Okay. So Riya, one girl is there. She is having how many rupees? 55. And she want to buy toffees. What is the cost of one toffee? 5 rupees. Then what find out? In 55 rupees, how many toffee does Riya can buy? So how to find out it? See. 4 rupees, 5. How many toffees? How many toffee? 1 toffee. Then what find out? Rupees 55. How many can find out? Why here question mark? Because this one we have to find out. So how to find out it? 55 divided by 5. So see. 55 divided by 5. Now see. And table of 5. 5 is there? Yes. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5. 0 is there. Now what is the next? This 5 we completed. Now this 5 remaining. So take that 5 downside. So this 5 we take downside. Now again 5 ones are 5. And 5 minus 5, 0. So how many toffees she can buy? 11 toffees. So final answer. What is our final answer? Thus Riya can buy 11 toffees. Yes. So here we completed first problem. Now we see next one. It is a try. What is the next one? Try. In try we see first problem. A Kiran has 72 fruits. She keeps 6 fruit in one basket. So how many basket did Kiran require to keep all fruits? So how many fruits she have? 72 fruits. And in one basket, how many fruits will be there? How many fruits she can keep? 6 fruit. Then we have to find out for these 72 fruits, how many basket she required. So that we have to find out. So see, 6 fruit, how many basket? 1 basket. So what find out? For 72 fruits, how many basket? Now what we have to do? How to find out it? 72 divided by 6. So here we do. 72 divided by 6. Now see student, in table of 6, 7 is there? No. Then we want a big number than 6. So if we write 6 to the 12, but 12 is big than 7. So what we have to do? 6 ones are 6. So here 1 and here 6. Yes. 6 ones are 6. So now 7 minus 6, how much? It is 1. And now this 2. Okay. This division we completed. Yes. Now which next number? This number is remaining. So we take that number downside. Now 6. In table of 6, 12 is there. Now see, this number is complete number is 12. Now we divide to 12 by 6. Now see, in table of 6, 12 is there. Yes, 6 2s are 12. So whatever 2s are, that comes up and 12 it comes downside. Now 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So how many basket Kiran required? 12 basket. So final answer. How to write final answer? Thus Kiran requires how many? 12 baskets. Yes. So here we completed first problem. Now we see second one. What is second one? Pari has 98 toys. One box can accommodate 7 toys. How many boxes are required to keep all the toys? So Pari, she is having how many toys? 98 toys. In one box, how many toys she can keep? 7 toys. Then what we have to find out? How many boxes she required to keep 98 toys. So see, for 7 toys, 1 box. Then what find out? 98 toys, how many boxes? Then what we have to do? 98 divided by 7. So see, 98 divided by 7. Now, in table of 7, 9 is there? No. We want small number than 9. So, which one is that number in table of 7? 7 ones are 7. So, 1 come up and this 7 comes down. Now, this division we completed. Now, what we have to do? 9 minus 7. So, what is the 9 minus 7? How much it is? 9 minus 7 is 2. Now, next number, that is 8. That 8 we have to write downside. Now see, in table of 7, 28 is there. See, in table of 7, 28 is there. Yes, it is there. 7 fours are 28. 4 comes up and 28 comes downside. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Yes. So what is the answer here? How many boxes she required? 14 boxes. And final answer, what we have to write? Thus, Pari required how many? How many boxes? 14 boxes. Yes, so here we completed second problem. Yes, student? Is it easy? Yes, it is very easy. Like same problem you solve in 3rd standard also. After that, we see third problem. What is third one? One packet contains 6 biscuits. How many packets will contain 78 biscuits? In one packet, how many biscuits are there? 6. Then what we have to find out? In 78 biscuit, how many packets required? Then what we have to do? See, 6 biscuit, 1 packet. For 78 biscuit, how many? That we have to find out. So see, 78 divided by 6. That we do here. Now 6. 6 ones are 6. Why 6 ones are 6? Because in table of 6, 7 is there? No. And which one is a small number than 7 in table of 6? That is 6. So 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6, it is 1. Now next number is 8. So take that number downside. Now number is 18. Now in table of 6, 18 is there. See, check it. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So in table of 6, 18 is there. So 3s are, it will come up. 6 threes are 18. Now 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 13. So final answer, what you have to write? Thus, 13 packets will contain 78 biscuits. Yes, no? For 78 packets, biscuits, how many packets require? 13 packets. So this is our final answer. Yes, student, I hope you understand this one. All problems are very easy. Now we see C, try. Now we see apply, and it is on page number 15. Yes, it is on page number 15. So what is the problem? Next problem. We read that problem. Trisha has 105 books. There are 7 books in one shelf. How many shelves are required to put all books? So, Trisha has how many books she have? 105 books. There are 7 books in one shelf. In one shelf, how many books are there? 7. So, what we have to find out? For 105 books, how many shelves are required? So, see, we write it. For 7 books, one shelf. Then what we have to find out for 105 books? How many shelves? So now what we have to do? 105 divided by 7. So we divide it. 105 divided by 7. Now see student, in table of 7, 10 is there? In table of 7, 10 is there? No. Then what we have to do? We want small number than 7. So which one it is? 7 ones are 7. Which one? 7 ones are 7. So we write 7 ones are 7. Yes. So what is there? 10 minus 7. So 10 minus 7, how much it is? Do that. 10 minus 7. So 10 minus 7, it is 3. So we write 3 here. Yes. So what is here? See, what we write? 10 minus 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Now see this number, that is 5. So take that 5 downside. See, in table of 7, 35 is there. Yes. 7 5s are 35. So 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So how many books shelves you required? 15. So final answer, what you have to write? Answer 15. Sorry, we write in this way. Trisha required 15 shelf. Yes. So here we completed from apply first one. So now student, see in this problem set, in apply total 6 problem are there. 1 I solve here. So remaining 5 you have to solve by yourself. Okay. So your homework is that is page number 14 and 15 in notebook and textbook. Yes, page number 14 and 15. Both you have to complete in your notebook and textbook. All problems are very easy, simple division is there. So do that neat and cleanly. So that's all for today. Good day and thank you.